Right, I'm back, cleaned up a bit. What's left to do? Alright, let me first talk about the service kit quickly. Your service kit that you will receive has O-rings and washers in for your drain plug, for your small filter. It's got a green seal on the, and your screen on the other side on the cap, and the oil filter at the bottom has a seal on the side as well. The rear plug is fairly easy to get by. You don't need to strip anything to get to the plug. Behind your SAS system, let's quickly see if you can see there. Behind your SAS system, behind your airbox, plug goes in. You will need a long extension, and it comes with a 14mm plug. Yeah, 14mm plug, short extension, long extension. What you can do is, if your plug doesn't have a spring in which holds your new plug in, put a bit of press stick on the inside, stick it in, it'll hold your plug, and then you go down, loosen it up, take it out, put the new plug in. On the front it's a bit of a different story. On the front we need to loosen a few things. Alright, a few disruptions, sorry. Alright, so let's carry on. We need to loosen the radiator screen. It's got a bolt on this side, bolt on the front. Then we take off the screen cover. Let's get to that quickly. Okay, so the plug we want to change, we'll change from the other side. Take the radiator, move it a bit forward. We're not going to loosen any pipes, drain any water. Then on the radiator you have 4 bolts, one at the bottom, one on the top, and same order on the other side. I'll move over and then I'll quickly do that one. So I'll be picking up the camera and moving it to this side so that you can have an idea of what we move and where we change the plug. don't have to move it a lot, but any space is welcome. Okay, let's move the camera a bit quickly. And just get my trusted torch. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to loosen this plug on the stay here. So we want to get in behind the plug there at the bottom there. You can't really, but it's in there. Wait. I'm really trying to show you here. It's difficult. Okay, I'm shining the light. You see that blue part there at the bottom? That is where your front cylinder is. We need to remove that plug. Okay, to remove this plug, there's a little plastic cap that you need to push down, and then you can pull this guy upward. Alright, here's your plug cap. And it's a serious mission getting in there. There's not a lot of space. I'm going to try and get a bit more leverage on this side. It's not too bad. This is where you want the swivel extension. So you'll be setting it up. With a swivel neck, and then you can start the process taking it out. It's slow going. It certainly is a challenge. Okay, you know what, I'm just going to pause the video quickly and finish this side. I'll carry on just now. Right, I found the best method to loosen this is not to use a swivel neck. I'll show you now when I get this plug out. Gee, there's no space here. Right, let's move it in a bit. No, the plug is not coming out. Alright, so the best way to do it is to go slow. Straightforward, in, back, little stages at a time. Now to get the plug out. So, I'm going to take the short extension, wiggle it in and try. Okay, it's not coming out. Okay, this is where the press stick part comes in.